What is up, you guys? My name is Shadow. I'm gonna hate this episode because I already am back. Let's make sure no zombies are beating my doors down. There's a mini fridge there. It's kind of in the way. It's gonna need moved. I think it kind of like the cooler more for streaming, to be honest. It's more quieter. It's not in the way. I guess I can move the mini fridge to the side. It's gonna be taking up my walkway though. But I kind of like having the title of the nerdiest motherfucker that has a microwave in a streaming area. I'm the only one that you know of. I'm the only one that I know of anyway. It's fucking weird. I've seen mini fridges in people's setups, but definitely not microwaves. Yeah, thank you, bro. Mine's attached. It's actually for colleges. It's a micro fridge with a mini fridge and a microwave combo, and I can dig it. They got a fucking microwave in here, you guys. It's kind of wild and cool. Literally, whole fucking microwave with a mini fridge at the bottom. Figured I just had to show that. I'm gonna have to do a whole new setup reveal soon. I can sit here and make some scrambled eggs in a microwave while I'm streaming. Cracks me up. You watch me like scramble my stream. The stream goes offline whenever I start my microwave up. Alright guys, so we won't test the fucking microwave in here. Leave it to Shadow. I bet I'm the only one. My lighting's about to go bye-bye, but it's gonna be worth it. In which, hey, that's not even that bad. You can still kind of see me. Oh no, it's not gonna fit. Where does this cord go to? Uh-oh. Yep, that's not gonna fit. I'm gonna have to figure something out. The stream dies because microwave interference. What's this cord go to? The last words I heard by Shadow. Things have to happen. Goodbye, monitor. I can't see nothing. My game is not fun. Hopefully no zombies eat me. Alright, so there's the fridge. At least I can see myself on the TV. Warm hold. Start. What the fuck? Are you okay, microwave? What the fuck was that noise? It sounded like it was angry. But hey, it's working. There's not even anything in it, but hey, it does work. Can you imagine just me streaming? You quit that. It's scary. Oh god, what have I done? This is a terrible idea. What have I done? Maybe, just maybe, I should unplug that. But fucking quit it. Transformer faulty, maybe. It has been in a van for a long time. It's been rocking back and forth and shit, you know. My whole house is gonna catch on fire. Yeah. Quit it! I need a hammer. Alright, I think it's time to unplug it. Let's get back to the game before a zombie gets me. Alright, microwave, fridge unplugged. There's a zombie banging on my door, so I'm gonna end it right here. And join the Discord in the description below. Yeah, thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you're done with the notification bell, hit you on the way out. Watch me die right at the very end. Quit that shit. I'm trying to end my stream. Bitch. Bye.